Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 8.8-inch Android screen in a BMW X4. And we are doing the Android Auto. A lot of customers, they're asking us to show the Android Auto with our USB dongle. With the USB dongle, you can do wired Android Auto. And the same USB dongle can do Apple CarPlay. We do have two different ones. One can do wireless CarPlay and it can do wired CarPlay. So the look of the dongle is the exact same, just doing different way of doing CarPlay, but for Android Auto it's always wired. And this is the Android Auto, and this is for 8.8-inch screen. We do have 10.25-inch screen as well, and you can use the iDrive knob to control the Android Auto too. And this is the ID7, and we can switch back to the iDrive by holding the menu button. We can go back to Android ID7 by going to apps. We go to AutoKit and it turns on the Android Auto, and we can use Google Maps or Waze or any other apps that Android Auto let us to use. Or we can play songs through Spotify. Because of copyright, I can play the songs. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and book an appointment for your installation. And this is the factory backup camera. If your X3, X4 doesn't come with backup camera, you can add backup camera as well, but this is the factory backup camera. Thank you and have a great day.